Hi, my name is Kylie Kazmarek, and this is my J.M. Smucker case study presentation. So, to summarize the case, J.M. Smucker was founded in 1897 by Jerome Monroe Smucker. They specialize in making and selling fruit spreads, frosting, juices, and beverages. And their company really values ethics and social, and they are very socially and environmentally responsible. Going back to the ethics portion, they really value ethics in their employees and just their overall business practices, which we will get into later in the presentation. So, why are ethics important to J.M. Smucker, and how is this related to their business performance? So, I think the very first thing is customer loyalty. I think we kind of all know that customers or consumers in general are more willing to buy from companies or businesses where they know like their employees are being valued and they are socially and ethically responsible. Employee satisfaction is the second one. They are on the top, I believe, 100 best businesses or places to work. So making sure your employees are satisfied and happy is what makes a great business successful. And I think J.M. Smucker really does a great job with valuing their employees. Their overall reputation, I believe, actually really helps with their overall business and kind of like staying afloat. Having a good reputation can really help a business prosper and kind of give them a leg up on their competition. Their employees are also willing to work harder. I mean, if you just look at the statistics with a lot of these businesses, is if a employee or if multiple employees are in a great environment with a great culture they agree with, they're more willing to stay after hours and work harder for the company they're loyal to. I think this also helps with the long-term benefits for the company and for the employees in the company. And this definitely helps with business performance because with these long-term benefits, it again can help them, have a leg up on the competition. So the benefits, drawbacks for being on the best place to work list. So I think obviously the benefit is the unlimited supply of new hires and the opportunity to expand. So if you have a lot of hires or people who are interested in your company, you have this great opportunity to expand your business if you really would like to. Even if these hires are maybe underqualified, if you really like them as an employee or you really like their background, you're able to kind of train them or even open up a new branch of your company. Next is the competition. So I think this could be good and bad. Speaking as an athlete, competition is great for if you want to improve yourself or kind of improve others around you. I think wanting to stay the best or stay in your position is, kind of great. On the other end of that, you have the feeling of anxiety as well. So if employees feel like they're not being valued or they feel threatened by these new hires or the constant supply of applications, they may be willing to look to different jobs. And if they feel the job is very insecure, we've kind of seen that with the last case study we did with the video. If employees don't feel valued or if they feel like their position is, in danger, they are willing to look to different places. So I think this also helps the company be selective. They're really able to be picky with who they want in their culture, and they are able to, if they really would like to, change their entire culture if they want. They can hire an entire new batch of employees that have, different values or moral ethics. Some drawbacks, like I've mentioned previously, employee anxiety, which, it can hurt a business if employees feel threatened. I also want to talk about the US culture, and it's no secret that we're very competitive and we don't have a lot of loyalty to the business if a bigger offer comes up, or let's say, we talked previously in class about how If we were offered a $25,000 raise if we went to this new company, it's a no-brainer. Of course, I'm going to go work for this new company who's giving me $25,000 more a year, of course, you know. So I also think the US culture is like a huge play when it comes to the benefits drawbacks of being on that list. So I also think it's very time consuming to kind of shift through all of these applications, especially if many of these applications are underqualified. Time means money in a business. So again, that's a drawback for being on this list. So, you know, is this beneficial? Do I think being on this list is beneficial for the company? I think yes. The number one reason is expansion. Again, like I said previously, more hires, more applications means the opportunity to expand, especially if you have this great reputation and you have this great ethics programs and employee and customer loyalty. Expansion would be key. You can definitely be successful if you wish to expand. And, you know, this also means money. Businesses obviously need money to function, and they need money to employ their employees and to keep their business afloat. So money is obviously the no-brainer. Being on this list kind of means more money, especially if you would like to expand. I think the next biggest thing is loyalty. If your employees and customers know, again, if you're on this list and they know you take care of their employees and your employees know that you value them, this creates loyalty. And in any business, loyalty is key. You want to keep your customers and employees happy and coming back. Now, do these values and corporate culture appeal to me? And yes, they absolutely do. I would love to work for a company that values me and, you know, treats me like I guess I am valued and like I have something to say for the company. I also really love if a company is socially and ethically and environmentally responsible. I think nowadays businesses are too focused on kind of earning bank or getting that next paycheck or finding that next blockbuster, you know, thing or product, that they don't really look at what this kind of does to the environment. And, you know, again, today, our planet is not doing so well. So I really do value businesses who are socially and environmentally responsible. And I would also love to work for a business whose ethicals and moral values kind of lines up to my own. Again, I think this can really make or break a business. And to me personally, I do love a business who is ethical and who does things the right way. So thank you so much.